Hi everyone, welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine, and Julie from TSET is joining us today. So thank you very much for being here. And I know we are in that kind of summer feels a little bit, and so I can hardly wait to taste this, so tell us what we're making.
Okay, we're making chickpea of the sea. So I did not come up with this very clever title, which is a take on tuna salad, but we're using chickpeas instead of tuna.
I think it's awesome.
Yeah, so it's really easy. So we just have some canned chickpeas, and I'm gonna mash those up, and in a sec we're gonna add some more ingredients to this.
Okay, well she's doing that. Julie, why don't you tell us a little bit about TSET?
Yeah, so TSET is a state agency that makes grants for programs. One of our programs includes Shape Your Future. So part of that program is figuring out ways to have healthy meals, get physically active, be outside, and add to it.
And this is a great time of year to be doing all of those things.
Absolutely.
This is helping you get physically active right
I
here
was
too.
kind of thinking that too. I'm like,
Yeah.
Val's doing her part already.
Yes.
So you're mashing up the chickpeas, obviously an important ingredient, just the one can, just depending on how
Right.
big your batch is, I guess you would say.
Right. And if you don't have a pastry blender, you can find something else. You might have a potato masher, you could use a fork, but these are fairly inexpensive, and I actually use it as a multitasker in the kitchen quite a bit.
Very nice.
So instead of mayonnaise, we're just going to use a little bit of prepared hummus, and we've made hummus on the show several times, and so if you would like to find that on the website, you can certainly do that. We're going to add some red onion, some celery, about that much, lemon juice, lemon zest. So we're really cutting down on the fat, especially saturated fat, by not using the mayonnaise.
Right.
Oh, those are for garnish. A little bit of sweet relish. You could use sweet relish or dill relish.
Okay.
And then this all just gets mixed up.
And again, these are just healthier alternatives, making those small choices for bigger impact.
Yeah.
Lean
little salt.
protein, looking good.
I know, I'm excited for it. Like, I'm just all in on summer when you see food like this.
Absolutely. And you don't have to heat your kitchen.
Yeah,
Oh, that's a
totally.
good point as well.
Summer.
Right. And it keeps well, and so just keep this in the fridge for people for snacking and lunch and whatever over the summertime.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to make yourself a little lettuce wrap here, you can do that.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay, yeah.
Or you can try the ones that are
I was going to
made
say
already.
we're really
as
going to have to work here.
totally fine.
I just was ready to
Working.
taste.
I'm
Yeah,
ready.
sorry.
Well, while we're doing that, Julie, why don't you take a bite and just quickly let me know what you think of it?
This is what kind of lettuce?
This is butter lettuce. Butter, Boston Bib, all about the same, hydroponically grown here in Oklahoma.
Perfect.
Aquaponics.
Very good.
Delicious, yes. And if you have a couple options that you want to serve it, you can go ahead and do it as a sandwich, or even like you said, on the lettuce wraps, and it's perfect for summer. So if you want to learn more about this or any of the other recipes, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.